magandang araw. So, ito na yung nakakalungkot na parte kasi uwian na. Syempre, back to normal. Yes, we're back home. Ang galing naman ng aming flight. Ang bilis. How many hours? 3.5. Almost 3.5. Supposed to be 12:55 ang arrive namin. Pero maaga kaming dumating. Siya muna tayo. Wow. Ganito ang makikita mo dito sa airport. So nice. Ayan. Ang ganda na kanilang painting. Ayan. So, ayan na mga ka-ready. We're home. We're home na. At, ay, ang cute naman ng poster. We're home na. We're home na. We're home na. Ano ba yan? We're home na. Kaya nga musig ako eh. Did you see that? Look that. Oh, so nice. Hindi yan real estate.
Kasi up yan dapat meron kong commission dyan.
Commission dyan.
Napakarami namin na sa one. Oo, celebrate and postulator.
Bye.
DC or yung Metron.
Ayan mga ready. Finally, nandito na kami sa labas. At uuwi na. Tayo na lang namin sila kitten. So, ayan na po. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng aking vlog. Ayan, see you again next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Laging ready! And don't forget to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Bye mga ka-ready! See you again next vlog!